Hello viewers. A few of us asked us about dark underarms. And let's face it, I'm sure most of you want to flaunt that new sleeveless top or that off-shoulder top, but you're simply embarrassed because of your dark looking underarms. Now the good news is that in most cases, dark underarms can be treated quite effectively. So let's try to tackle these dark underarms. Now when it comes to the causes, you can have various causes for dark underarms. The first is an irritation or allergy to antiperspirants or deodorants or even perfumes. Irritation and abrasion due to shaving, repeated friction due to ill-fitting clothes, underlying diabetes or obesity or even hypertension which causes the skin to thicken and it looks dark. Finally, sweating which can lead to bacterial or fungal infections. So remember these 5 causes. Now how to prevent underarms once we know about these causes? The first and foremost thing is change your deodorant or antiperspirant. If you're using perfume, use it over the clothes and not directly over the skin. Instead of shaving, opt for trimming that area or go see a dermatologist for laser hair removal if it's too cumbersome. Wear loose or well-fitting clothes and absolutely at all costs avoid synthetic fabric like nylon. Weight management that you can do with either diet or exercise if that's your contributing factor. So these are, a few things how you can prevent dark underarms. If you've taken care of everything that I've mentioned about till now and you still have dark underarms, look for products that lighten the skin with, which could have natural floral extracts or antioxidants. And your cream should also have an antiperspirant action since sweating is a major cause of concern. In case the skin is thickened or it doesn't resolve with topical creams, do seek medical advice for the same. So friends, dark underarms are fully treatable. Do reach out to us or me specifically if you have any further doubts, and I'd be happy to address the same, maybe in a new session. Thank you.